Increasingly, we are seeing that kids are being driven to all of their destinations and that there's a greater reliance on motorized transportation in general. Kids just aren't walking, wheeling, biking around their communities like they used to. And by driving our kids to all of their destinations, we're setting the stage for unhealthy habits. The 2013 Active Healthy Kids Canada report card on physical activity for children and youth assigns a D grade for active transportation. 62% of 5 to 17-year-olds use only inactive modes of transportation to get to and from school.
Active transportation is an easy, cost-effective, accessible, and environmentally friendly way to increase the physical activity levels of children and youth. And it provides a number of health benefits. For example, if kids walk to all their destinations within a kilometre, they would accumulate on average an additional 2,200 steps per day. This translates into about 15 to 20 minutes of physical activity.
Active transportation is an accessible, cost-effective way to increase physical activity levels for kids in this country. So it's incumbent on us to get our kids out of the cars and encourage them to get to their destination in an active way. It not only increases physical activity levels and improves health, but it also fosters independence and helps create a sense of community. It's a great form of physical activity, and we know that if kids are encouraged to get to their destination on their own steam, they actually have a higher probability of meeting the Canadian Physical Activity Guidelines, which is 1 hour of physical activity per day.
For the past several years, there's been an increased use of cars and motorized transport, even for short trips. In fact, 58% of parents say that they walked to and from school when they were kids, whereas only 28% of their kids do that now.
While barriers such as distance, safety, and even the child's age do exist, we have to step back and ask ourselves, are we driving our kids to unhealthy habits and less physical activity?